Well, it is 2:30 in the afternoon, and it is a glorious day because it is opening day of Kansas bow season. One bad thing is it's 90 degrees and the wind is blowing like sustained high 20s, gust into the 30s, maybe even higher. But that's a really, really good thing because tonight, about 3 o'clock in the morning, we got a front coming through. Temperature's going to drop 20 plus degrees, and we're going to have a northeast wind. So these deer tonight could be up and on their feet. We're going to be hunting in the middle of a CRP field. We're parked on the east side of it right now, and it's a great CRP field. There's several deer in the area that we would love to have in front of us, so I'm pretty pumped. Opening day in Kansas. We got to go in there. We got to hang a set. There isn't a set there, so we got to go make it happen. Y'all stay tuned. Hopefully tonight is the night.
Well, it is opening day in Kansas. It is very, very windy today and very hot, but we got a big system coming in tonight about 3 o'clock. Gonna drop the temperatures over 20 degrees for tomorrow. Gonna switch the wind around to the north. So, big change coming in. A lot of times, the deer, the big bucks, will be up on their feet moving the day before that happens, so we're still moving during the hot weather. That's what I'm hoping for. We're in the middle of a CRP field. Got a food plot of milo right in front of us, as well as are going to be radishes and turnips. But they're not grown up yet, so it's basically just dirt. But we got a little dugout pond behind us, so we got water, food, and there's bedding basically all around us. We got a south-southwest wind blowing back the way we came in. It could be a good night, real good night. Get these deer coming in, eating on the milo, and eating on the new tenders that are coming up in that new food plot, so we'll see. Got a great wind, great access, and we're on a great farm. Hopefully we can have a great hunt, so y'all stay tuned, we'll see how she turns out. smoked him. Hey, first night of the season, baby. We just smoked the Big 8. That's one of the deer we came in here hoping to see. Oh my gosh. Dude, I think he's down right there behind. We got a clump of trees right here. I seen him go that way. I tried to hang my bow up. And then I was gonna catch him whenever he ran. I think he died right there. It's been 638 days since I've shot a whitetail with my bow. And I just smoked a great Central Kansas buck here at Saltgrass Outfitters. Dude, I'm excited, man. That's awesome. Come on, man. That's what you're my good luck. Can you go with me next time? Dude. My favorite part. Oh, baby. I'd like to see. Definitely red. Not very red. We know where he is. He died 30 yards from the tree. So let's go. Oh, this grass is so tall. I know he's right in here somewhere. I smell something. Oh, Caleb, right here. Right here he is. Oh, he's done. Yeah, he's done. He's done. Yep, that's the Big 8. Look what we done up here in Central Kansas at Saltgrass Outfitters. Oh, opening day, September the 12th. This is my first opening day buck in Kansas, and I could not be more thrilled. Man, it's been a long time. It's been a struggle for me. It's been almost 2 years. It's been 638 days. I actually added them up in the tree today since I took a white-tailed deer with my bow. And man, what a blessing this evening. We came in, we're in the middle of a 160-acre CRP field. There's a little clump of trees that we're sitting in, and we actually got a dugout pond not 20 yards behind us. We got a pretty big Milo food plot in front of us, and a dirt patch basically that's going to end up being turnips this fall. But this is one of the bucks that we wanted to see tonight, and we call this deer the Big 8. Obviously you can tell why. He's a big mainframe mate. He's got looping main beams, good twos. I mean, just a great Central Kansas buck up here. And we spotted him in the CRP probably 400 yards out in front of us with about 45 minutes left in light, and he was making a beeline to that Milo field, and he came to the Milo and he fed forever, and I didn't know if he was going to eventually give us a shot because he was 150 yards away in the Milo. Luckily, him and another smaller buck finally made the decision to walk on over to us, and they were walking across that dirt patch, and I'm probably going to end up with that water behind us. And I was fortunate enough to have a 25-yard shot, and fortunate enough to put it in there, and he didn't go but probably 40 yards from where I shot him. And the old Matthews Halon and the Bloodsport arrows and broadheads absolutely did work today. A great buck up here in Central Kansas. Oh, I gotta thank my wife, Brianne, and my two little girls, Addison and Brooke. They put up with Daddy being gone so much, and I'm grateful that I get to spend my life with them, and I'm grateful that they love what I do as much as I do, and man, I cannot be more thrilled with this buck. Wow.